Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into the fascinating world of cryptocurrencies by exploring a unique entry point, crypto faucets. Now I know what you might be thinking. What on earth is a crypto faucet? Well, buckle up, because we're about to embark on an eye-opening journey into the world of digital currencies that will not only educate you, but also make you want to jump right in. Imagine a magical faucet, not one that gives you water, but one that drips cryptocurrencies. Yes, you heard it right. Free digital money. It's like discovering a secret treasure chest in the vast ocean of the internet. So how does it work? Let's find out. All right, let's break it down. Crypto faucets are websites or apps that reward you with small amounts of cryptocurrencies just for performing simple tasks, like solving puzzles, clicking buttons, view ads, watch videos, play some games, complete surveys, or even just visiting the website. It might sound too good to be true, but these faucets are real, and they play a crucial role in introducing people to the world of cryptocurrencies. Now you might wonder, why would anyone give away free money? Well, these faucets are usually sponsored by larger cryptocurrency projects. They use faucets as a way to distribute their coins, create awareness, and build a community around their digital assets. It's a win-win situation. You learn about cryptocurrencies, and they get to reach more people. Let's do a quick demo. I'm going to show you how easy it is to use a crypto faucet. All you need is to create an account and start completing the required tasks, and voila, you've earned your first fraction of a cryptocurrency. By doing what you normally do on the internet, but with real rewards, what do you get to lose? Nothing, guys. It's a win-win. But wait, there's more. It doesn't matter if you are a student or a parent. It doesn't matter where you are from, anyone can participate. Anyone can thrive in this space. Now, before you dive in, it's essential to understand the basics of cryptocurrencies. They are digital or virtual currencies that use cryptography for security. Unlike traditional currencies, cryptocurrencies operate on technology called blockchain, ensuring transparency and security in every transaction. I know you might have questions, and that's great. Understanding is the first step. How do I keep my cryptocurrencies safe? How do I convert them to real money? Don't worry, we've got you covered. In fact, we have an entire playlist dedicated to answering your questions about cryptocurrencies. So, hit subscribe and explore our channel to become a crypto expert. This is the exciting world of crypto faucets. It's not just about earning free money. It's about embarking on a journey, learning with free crypto, and being part of a global revolution. So what are you waiting for? Start exploring, start learning, and who knows, your crypto adventure might just be the next big thing. Thanks for joining us today. Until next time, happy crypto exploring.